Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your Spocket membership or subscription. So for that you'll have to sign in Spocket, and then you'll have to go to settings, and then you'll have to navigate to membership, as you can see. So in that tab you'll see membership information. So in that information you'll see a cancel link or button. You'll have to press on that. After you press on this cancel link, it will take you to a page like this, where they'll give you two options. One would be a pause my plan button, and beneath that you'll see no, I want to cancel the plan. So if you press the pause, it will pause your subscription for however many months that you want. If you want to cancel it altogether, simply press no, I want to cancel the plan. After you press the cancel button again, it will take you to this last page where you will see until when your plan is valid, and this is how you can easily cancel your Spocket subscription. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.